हेलो मस्तरंगीज। तो आज हम आए हैं एक बहुत ही फेमस एक्टर के घर पे उनका इंटरव्यू लेने के लिए, एंड आई एम श्योर जैसे ही आप लोग देखोगे ना उनको फट से पहचान जाओगे। सो विदाउट एनी फर्दर डिले लेट मी टेल यू कि हम किसके घर पे आए हैं। वी हैव कम टू मनीष रायसिंघन्स हाउस। तो आज इनका हम इंटरव्यू लेंगे एंड ऑफ कोर्स व्लॉग के एंड तक बने रहना क्योंकि बहुत सारे इंटरेस्टिंग सेक्शंस होते हैं, आप लोगों को तो पता ही होगा, बट डेफिनेटली एंड तक बने रहे।
सो एज वी ऑल नो मनीष, आपको हम कितने सालों से देखते आ रहे हो ऑन स्क्रीन और आपके काफी सारे फैंस भी हैं। सो हम सबके तो आप हमेशा से ही फेवरेट रहे हो, पर आपकी इस एक्टिंग जर्नी में अब तक के करियर में क्या आपका कोई ऐसा फेवरेट कैरेक्टर या फेवरेट रोल रहा है जो आपको करने में बहुत मजा आया हो?
यार एक्चुअली अभी इट्स बीन अ व्हाइल एंड काफी कुछ ऐसा है जो यू स्टार्ट लाइकिंग, बट एवरी कैरेक्टर हैज इट्स ओन चार्म. Abhi, there's one release I have which is my favorite because it was very difficult for me to play. It's a period this thing. It's an era web series. Okay. So उसमें बहुत कुछ it was very difficult and I got to work with the biggest veterans of the industry and that was a learning and that is what has stayed with me. बाकी every other character, I think one of my favorites was Team Bhaurania because I was playing a con man. And every day you are changing attires, playing different parts. Every day design a new character. It was a lot of fun. So I think Team Bhaurania में Sameer Ghiwala was the name of the character, and it's the closest to my heart.
Correct.
So Manish, आपने इतने सारे shows किए हैं अभी तक. There are so many TV shows that you've done. तो which was that one show that made you famous? वो character क्या था और वो show क्या था?
I think the best part about TV is actually like we have different streams. Log TV को like there is this way that a lot of people look down upon it. But TV is a world वहाँ आप आज ऑडिशन देते हो, आपको बोलते हो रात से ही शूटिंग की जाएगी एंड रात को शूट करते हो, कल शाम तक जब टेलीकास्ट होता है आप चौथे दिन से स्टार बन चुके होते हो. And that is the magic of TV because when I started, Balaji was like it still is that big, but there was nobody else probably. I don't know what it was like. So I joined TV and it was I shot, like I got selected, shot the next day. By weekend I went back to Pune to my hometown to visit my people, and I was sitting on a parapet waiting for my girlfriend. I didn't know ki the world watches this show called Kahin Kisi Roz. So I'm sitting on the parapet and suddenly there's this uncle who passes by on a scooter. Like this, it's an army area, so he just crosses and he stops, takes a U-turn and he comes back and stands next to me. And he says, "Son, you're Apurva, right?" भाई वो जो हिट होता है ना, ऐसे गूज़बम्स आया, धीरे से उठा. हाँ अंकल, बोला my wife and I, we love you, you're such a good looking boy. मैंने कहा भाई यही सुनने तो आया था. Pause. But son, you must learn how to act. You're a horrible actor. So it is instant fame. Not even a week it takes that you get into television, and it just makes you famous. And this was my claim to fame. My first show, which was watched by the whole world. We had TRPs of around whatever 15.5 or whatever.
Yes,
and so it was massive. और वो show I think Kahin Kisi Roz was the first show which gave me this fame, जहाँ मुझे एक साथ तारीफ भी मिली और गाली भी.
So what you like to do in your daytime? मतलब how you spend your day? मतलब.
Yeah, mine is I have never worked like in one shift. I sleep 4 hours a day, and I'm an absolute workaholic. So it was always I was doing 2 to 3 shows at a time. So I was shooting around the clock. Lockdown has changed a lot for me because तब से लेके I've taken a different side as well. I've started producing. So rather pre-lockdown I started producing. So that also takes up a lot of time. So there is no really free time. जब free time होता है मैं बॉम्बे से भाग जाता हूँ. I just go for a holiday wherever I can. But in Bombay, if it is it's like a free time, मैं या तो अपनी next stories लिख रहा होता हूँ या फिर कुछ लिख रहा होता हूँ या फिर उनके बारे में सोच रहा होता हूँ and whatever. So it's basically work in Bombay. And the holiday comes in and like I fly off.
ये पब्लिक फिगर होने के कुछ पॉजिटिव भी हैं और नेगेटिव भी हैं, वैसा वाला सिनेरियो हो जाता है. बीइंग एन एक्टर
राइट
बिकॉज आप किसी के लिए इंस्पिरेशन भी बन सकते हो और किसी के लिए मीम भी बन सकते हो किसी
Meme
भी
to
type
yaar,
of- you
absolutely.
have no
We did the
idea.
show called Sasural Simar Ka. We had the most craziest tracks from Bhoots, Chudails, Nagins. We became Makhis. We got into Matkas. We did it all. We randomly किसी ने थप्पड़ मारा, कोई बंदी फांसी का फंदा लग गया. I think it's all memes you have this thing, but that's TRP. That kind of converts into this thing. So while as an actor, when you're doing the scene, we used to like kind of laugh, you know, कि क्या बकवास कर रहे हैं हम लोग. And the next thing you know, TRP और ऊपर चला गया. And they're like, shut up and let's just do it because the producers know it better, channel knows it better, that this is working for them. And it rocked. Yeah,
true,
so we are happy being memes. We have done a scene where like, you know, it's like the whole climax of a track and I'm holding the gun on the villain and suddenly Roli इधर से बोलती है कि सुनो वो आ गई है. कौन? उसकी जो फ्रेंड भूत है वो. आइडियली मेरी फट जानी चाहिए, मैं चड्डी में सुसु कर देना चाहिए. लेकिन मैं उसको बोल रहा हूं, अच्छा. And I give the gun. So Bhoot takes the gun from me because we are fighting for her justice. And Bhoot takes the gun and Roli tells the dialogue to the Bhoot who's dead like one eternity पहले and tells her कानून अपने हाथों में मत लो. हम पेट पकड़ के उल्टे होकर दोनों टाइम में ऊपर करके हंस रहे सब लोग. ठीक है. We shot up. People love the whole idea कि हम लोग भूतनी को बोल रहे हैं कि कानून हाथ में मत लो. It was hilarious, but I think that's what works. We managed to entertain people at the cost of logic.
Actually,
Yeah.
big time.
Yeah.
So your time in SSK, did you all have that table where you all used to sit?
So in
That Baap Ka Maal table.
absolutely, Baap Ka Maal table is inside. So I don't think audiences know
No,
about
yes,
this.
this is an
So
exit.
there is this one dining table which is inside, which is जो सब लोगों ने देखी है. वहाँ बाहर एक टेबल पड़ी रहती थी. So this name also became prevalent because someone got something and kept it on that table. And when they kept it on table, तो वापस आया तो सब साफ हो चुका था. तो ये लाइक मैं खाना लेके आया था तो उसको बताया ये बाप का माल टेबल है. यहाँ रखोगे, it is for everybody. Nobody can question it. And it just used to vanish. Food you keep there, it vanishes. There was nothing healthy.
So who's your favorite co-star, and why is he or she your favorite co-star?
Favorite co-star, I think it goes without saying because Avika and I have, our bond was not just on screen, but it was off screen also. We have worked so much. Like I've had great co-stars all throughout my life. That's what I've been blessed because everybody was super fabulous and amazing. But with Avika, what happened was we did a lot in front of the camera, behind the camera, and behind the camera also we have done a lot of short films which we
Yes, I've seen
internationally we this thing. So we had a lot of trips to Cannes because we are on a hat trick to Cannes and whatever. So we learned a lot together and like we had a very different kind of a bond because we have like this huge 18-year difference, and that's the reason we had a very different bond altogether. So like a school friendship.
Yeah.
So that added a lot and that added a lot of spark to it. So yeah, I think she tops the list right now.
अब तक का आपका जितना भी जो एक्टिंग का करियर रहा है उस जर्नी में कोई ऐसा मोमेंट विच इज अनफॉरगेटेबल आपके लिए
Memorable.
मेमोरेबल रहा हो?
Lots of it, yeah. I think every show brings in a beautiful new family in your life. Unforgettable incidents invariably happen because I'm a goofball. तो set पे इतने goof ups होते हैं मेरे वजह से and whatever कि eventually it lands up being in good books / bad books of everybody.
सो नॉट ओनली फॉर यू, उनके लिए भी अनफॉरगेटेबल हो जाता है जहाँ
हाँ, अरे मैं नुकसान करता हूँ यार. छोटे मोटे नहीं यार. It has been like big disasters. I'm like the most. I'll give you one example. So on the sets of Kahin To Hoga I was doing. So I'd entered. I replaced Ijaz that time. So when I entered the show, so they all really babied me because मैं थोड़ा उटपटांग सा बच्चा था. तो I was not feeling well and I'm sitting vanity में, and vanity में वो कैंटिलीवर इस पे खाना लगा हुआ है. तो हम लोग सब 10-12 लोग खड़े हैं and मैं ऐसे जैसे अभी पैर हिला रहा हूँ, मेरी बहुत बुरी आदत है. I go this and my this hits the cantilever. जो खाना है it goes धप and everybody is painted with dahi, Amit Singh Thakur is such a भिखारी. He sees all food is gone. He sees उधर एक गुलाब जामुन गिरा हुआ है. वो जाता है, खाता बोलता है पिंकू. So they had to clean up. So acres of time. So that van was destroyed. Okay, it was destroyed to another level.
तो अभी हम चलते हैं हमारे फूड सेक्शन में एंड लेट्स फाइंड आउट व्हाट ऑल आर हिज फेवरेट फूड. So Manish, आप इतने fit हो and like you know like you really maintain yourself. So what is like, is there any natural supplements that you have or like what kind of food do you prefer?
It's बहुत अच्छा सवाल है ये, हिंदी में बात करते हैं. So इसका जवाब ये है. कुछ साल पहले मुझे किसी रेडियो शो में, मॉर्निंग शो जो होता है हेल्थ शो, उसके लिए बुलाया गया एंड दे हैड दिस सवाल जवाब. That show was destroyed for a simple reason. The RJ started asking कि पहला सवाल कि आप डाइट क्या करते हैं. मेरे डाइट सुन के उनको लगा रहेगा, कोई सुनेगा, सिर्फ सुनने में उनको लगा रहेगा कोई ओबीस बंदा आएगा जो 8 का आंकड़ा दिखेगा. ठीक है, because I eat everything under the sun. I eat at nonsense hours, round the clock. Every 2 hours I'm munching on something. And in our house, it's not like the munchies, it's called the junk drawer to make me conscious कि ये junk है, इसको नहीं खाना है, but मैं वो junk भी शौक से खाता हूँ. ठीक है? So that is one. Then they asked me about what do you call the workout routine. Workout मैं करता नहीं हूँ. तो that was like, अच्छा कुछ तो करते होगे. मैं कुछ नहीं करता मैं. तो बोलता है जब like you know how do you have abs, how do you like you do so many ram shows and stuff, तो how come as a model this thing. जब मेरे को शर्ट उतारनी होती है तो मैं एक हफ्ता पहले अगर जिम ज्वाइन किया तो किया, नहीं तो मेरा फेवरेट वर्कआउट है मैं ड्राइवर को बोलता हूँ गाड़ी ऑफ कर, मैं धक्का मारता हूँ, 10 मिनट में पूरी बॉडी पंप होती है, 4 दिन दर्द होता है लेकिन बॉडी पंप होना शुरू हो जाती है. एक हफ्ता वो किया तो पूरी बॉडी फिट मिलती है. ओह अच्छा, बकवास. देन दे आस्क अबाउट स्लीप कि देन हाउ इज योर स्लीप. मैंने कहा मैं 4 घंटे सोता हूँ, 6 घंटा मेरा लग्जरी है. दैट्स एबनॉर्मल. And then at the end of the show, she's like, so wait a sec. So what is the right thing you're doing about your body? That it is fit and everything is fine. So I was like, यार एक बहुत पॉपुलर सेइंग है कि खुदा मेहरबान तो गधा पहलवान.
तो मनीष शेयर अ रेसिपी विद अस कि मतलब जब मनीष को अगर भूख लगी हो तो क्या स्पेशल जो जल्दी मनीष बना सकते हैं.
देखो, जिस्म की भूख का मैं बता नहीं सकता. पेट की भूख का बहुत सिंपल रेसिपी है. आई एम अ फैबुलस कुक बट वेरी मैं बहुत नीश चीजें बनाता हूँ. आई हैव दिस अमेजिंग रेसिपी. मैं पानी को क्या बोलते हैं पतीले में डालता हूँ एंड उसे उबालता हूँ एंड आई कैन एक्चुअली हीट इट टू अ पॉइंट कि वो हाइड्रोजन 2 parts ऑफ हाइड्रोजन 1 part ऑफ ऑक्सीजन में कन्वर्ट हो जाता है. बेसिकली आई कैन बॉइल वाटर वेरी वेरी वेल. आई रॉक एट इट. मुझ जैसा पानी बॉईल करने वाला जिंदगी में नहीं मिलेगा.
उबाल सकते.
मुझे वो पानी को वापस दो हाइड्रोजन और 1 ऑक्सीजन को मिक्स करके पानी बनाना भी आता है.
वेरी नाइस.
पूछो कैसे?
कैसे?
ऊपर ढक्कन रख देना पतीले का.
ओह अच्छा.
तो उधर जो कंडेंस होता है ना, वो पानी भर के वापस अंदर करता है.
पॉइंट. आप खून
ये रेसिपी जरूर याद रखना.
इंडिया से बाहर नहीं जानी चाहिए.
So Manish, we'll do a quick rapid fire. So let's go. दही वड़ा और वड़ा पाव.
बोथ.
ये चीटिंग है.
one.
ओके. वड़ा पाव.
Okay. वड़ा पाव और इडली.
वड़ा पाव.
Okay. वड़ा पाव या डोसा.
वड़ा पाव wrapped in डोसा. Both are good, yeah. Both are unhealthy also, yeah, to an extent.
But if
डोसा वो बनता है ना, मैं वो नॉर्मल नहीं खाता, मैं घी रोस्ट खाता हूँ. घी अच्छा, फिर डोसा.
डोसा और बटर चिकन.
डोसा और बटर चिकन. डोसा.
डोसा और चिकन कढ़ाई.
डोसा.
डोसा और फ्राइड राइस.
डोसा.
डोसा और चिली चिकन.
डोसा.
डोसा या छोले भटूरे.
डोसा.
डोसा या पानी पूरी.
पानी पूरी.
So Pani Puri is your favorite.
Pani Puri.
That stops everything.
Absolutely. Hands down, like the most amazing thing you can ever have is Pani Puri anywhere. And not anywhere, because people have the lotas where, they do the things and whatever. Pani is not guaranteed there.
ओरिजिनली कहाँ से आप?
यार, I'm born in Ajmer. वहाँ मैंने 7th तक schooling किया. Then I think most of my life I've lived in Pune. I've done my engineering from there. And then I was modeling in Europe. I was based there for a year. And then Dubai, then India. So basically मैं कहीं का नहीं हूँ.
कहीं का नहीं मैंने कहीं का नहीं हूँ. मुंबई में आपका फेवरेट फूड कौन सा है and which one is your favorite restaurant?
Yeah, lots of them. But there's this one comfort spot for me, which is 1 BHK. Okay. Because one, I love the owners, Simple, Vatsala, Aditi. So these guys are there. It's their restaurant. And it is that Goa vibe in Bombay. So that, and the chef is really nice. So he cooks this amazing stuff and, experiments on me as well. So we have our meetings and suddenly they'll experiment with something and something will come and they're really amazing. So that is one place I would really say is 1 BHK's favorite. Otherwise, I love exploring because, every chef has a different thing to offer you.
Yes.
And it's not just chef. I love street food as well. And street food can really blow your mind. It can really make you sick, but it can blow your mind as well. So I've landed up in hospital after those tasty food as well. But I don't stop.
So अब हम बढ़ते हैं हमारे स्टाइलिंग सेक्शन की तरफ और चलते हैं हमारे फेवरेट एक्टर की वार्डरोब की तरफ. तो देखते हैं आखिर इनके वार्डरोब में ऐसा क्या है जो इनको बनाता है औरों से अलग. So Manish, what's your favorite color जो आपको लगता है कि यार मेरे वार्डरोब में ये थोड़े ज्यादा ही हो चुके हैं अभी मुझे इस पे थोड़ी लगाम लगानी चाहिए.
I think the world can answer that. Black. ठीक है? It's just the safest color. Oh, the safest! What a coincidence! सोचा नहीं था कि मैं आज black पहनूंगा. So that's the safest bet. So it's just easier to do this thing. And I'm a no-brainer when it comes to wardrobe. 3 wardrobes full of this whole wall, but I will land up wearing the same clothes everywhere. Because I do not have the time to scan through my clothes.
Too much work.
Too much of work. So then the best part is like Sara Ali Khan says, everybody is stylist. Stylist को बोलने का वो कपड़े भिजवा देता है, then you just wear it, no brainer, just go there, click, come back. That is the safest bet. But with my own clothes, most of it is black.
अच्छा, so when you go for shopping, so are you choosy for your clothes और आपको भी हमारी तरह यही लगता है कि आप जो भी पहनोगे वो अच्छी ही लगोगी?
Actually, ये मुझ पे इल्जाम लगाया गया था. My ex used to think, he thinks he's a Greek god. He thinks he can just because, and she was like, I'm sick of him. Just because you can carry off stuff, don't wear the same things again and again. And she was a designer. She's a designer. So and she's like this renowned designers and whatever. And she used to hate me wearing average stuff and whatever, which is not stylish and this thing. So for her, it was like this thing. You think you're a Greek god and blah blah. And mine was as simple as this. I don't really have the bandwidth to think and style myself. And that's where the stylists come into the picture, where they send me clothes, I wear them, I go there, try to make things look good. As a model, that's your job, right? So that's what I try to do my best, and come back home. Shopping, I'm a shopaholic. I will wear same clothes, but I buy a lot of them. So Sangeeta is someone who's exact opposite of mine, who doesn't like shopping. So when she started coming out shopping with me, she realized the true meaning of shopping, because I'm a lazy shopper. So I go and sit in a store, and these guys come and show me, sir, this one. Yes, this one, no. There is a short list which happens, which I try, and then I get it back home, and they are in the wardrobe forever. So she's like, why do you even buy clothes? I used to love this one, apna Dupi, Dheeraj Dupar. Fuck, he is so amazing. Like, I really look up to him. मैंने कहा Dupi कैसे कर लेता है यार तू? He's like, I love dressing up. He wanted to write for fashion editorials and whatever because he's so good with it. Like, you look at his Instagram page, you look at it like, Dupi tu fancy hai yaar. Because he buys clothes, he wears them, he knows how to carry it and he flaunts it. मैं same black pen
So whenever you go for shopping, so what you prefer most? मतलब like in accessories when it comes to watches, shoes.
or do you like
I love shoes. One is shoes. I love watches. I'm not very fond of. One smartwatch because I need like I go by my watch, so I need a timer. I need a stopwatch. All these things are very basic necessities for me. So I've always loved digital watches, which everybody hates because apparently sporty, boyish or non-classy or whatever. You know, ऐसे इल्जाम लगा के मुझे रिपेल किया गया. But I'm very happy with my smartwatches.
तो आज हम आपके वार्डरोब में से वो कलेक्शन देखेंगे जो आपने पहना नहीं है.
Underwears.
अभी की बात नहीं कर रहा. I'm not talking about right. वो कपड़े ऊपर के जो आपने
I like it. ऊपर के कपड़े.
और आपने उन्हें यूज नहीं किया है.
No, done.
We'll use it.
Sure.
ठीक है. चलिए फिर आपके वार्डरोब की तरफ.
चलो.
तो आप अपने हिसाब से कलर लेते हो, आपके फेवरेट या फिर उनके फेवरेट कलर्स पसंद करते हो?
So नहीं. So she likes colorful. She loves whites.
Okay.
So she's all about whites and pastels and stuff. I'm all about black. But yes, she's not someone who likes shopping.
Okay.
तो मैं उसको जबरदस्ती शॉपिंग के लिए लेके जाता हूँ एंड उसे बहुत सारा शॉपिंग कराता हूँ. जैसा whatever patterns she likes, she does take my opinion, but she needs to push the shop. So choices is hers, pushing is mine.
ओह अच्छा, वेरी नाइस.
Yeah.
हाँ, क्योंकि अगर आप अपना फेवरेट कलर चुनने जाते तो ब्लैक ही लगता.
ब्लैक ही घूमनी होती है यार.
तो ब्लैक फ्राइडे की जगह ब्लैक वीकडेज बनता है.
Yeah, absolutely. Come. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls.
अगर ये व्लॉग आपको अच्छा लगा हो
ऐसे ही और इंटरेस्टिंग व्लॉग्स देखने के लिए
आपको करना है लाइक, शेयर, सब्सक्राइब और वो क्या रहता है वो क्या रहता है वो बेल आइकन वो दबाइए एंड नोटिफिकेशन पाइए एंड वॉच
मस्तंगी